Cooking Jenna, you gonna do some hot dogs?
Yeah, I'm trying to do some hot dog. What? Not with this? Do people still eat this?
Yeah.
Hey, oh, hot dog. Come on, let me show you how to make a hot dog. I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade hot dog, beef and pork. First of all, we're gonna use some ground chuck. Then we're gonna use some country boy bacon, onions, got our buns. Then we're gonna have some cheese, Wolf brand chili, and some slap your mama. I'm gonna make these boogers good. Ask somebody. Alrighty, y'all, we back. Now, check this out. You wanna take your ground chuck, and you wanna make sure you can get 8 hot dogs, 8 buns, so you wanna make sure you get 8 of them. So you just go ahead and pre-do them right like that first. That way you know you got enough meat for 8. Then you wanna add your onions in there. And get all that onion out of there, look at that. See? Take your hand, and if you have to wipe it, you just get everything out of there like that there. Wipe it off of there. And if you want to just get all, use a piece of meat and get all that. Then we're going to add some to slap your mama to it. You're going to want to shake some of that on there. Make sure it get good, and we're going to mix all this up. And then after we mix it up, I'm going to shape them into some hot dog patties. And we're going to put them in the freezer for about 30 minutes so they can get hard, so we can wrap that bacon around them, and we're finna bake these suckers. So let's get ready. Cooking Jim, slap your mama. All right. Now look at here. We got all the stuff mixed up, our seasons mixed up. We got the onions in there. Now we're going to put these in the freezer for about 30 minutes. That way they'll get hard enough, and we want them to look cold and a little chill so we can wrap that bacon around them. Because we're finna put these in the oven and bake them on 350. So let's get started.
Don't forget to slap your mama.
All right, y'all. Now, you take your ground meat out and set it in the freezer about 30 minutes. Got a little firm to it. You want to take your bacon and you want to wrap it like that there. You just take that bacon and you wrap it around there like that there. There we go. And then you set them in your pan. Now you want to bake these until that bacon get crisp. So let's put these in the oven. There we go. We got our chili here simmering. And we finna eat some hot dogs, real hot dogs, not those stuff you buy in the store. Make your own.
Don't forget to slap your mama.
All right, we finished now, boy. A chili cheese dog. Man, this is a real chili cheese dog. You put that bun in there. Now you can use mayonnaise, mustard, reddish, whatever you want, but I just like a chili cheese dog, man. Just look at that. That bacon around there. Just put that off in there like that there. And then you get you some of this here chili. I really like to make homemade chili, but I'm just gonna use Wolf brand today. Put that on there like that. Oh man, look at that. Put you some cheese on there. Look at that. That's better than this. Why you use this? Make this. Man. Whew. You know what? If it was back in the days and we had something like this, I already know I would have been a fool. You better ask somebody. It's my goddamn ass. What?